Hi everybody, I was gifted a flagpole. I'm super excited about this. I thought I would show you inside first. This is the box that it comes in. It's so small, it seems like impossible that it's a flagpole. You get directions, it's so easy to put together. But this is what I wanted to show you what I love about this. This is what keeps it in the ground. So I have some other reviews for flagpoles that are very, very nice, but I live in an area that is very windy, and the issue is that when it's very windy, I need something that is deeper into the ground that is going to keep the flagpole where it belongs. And so this is it. You basically are going to screw this all together, and then on the top, you get these little carabiners and then these for the flag. So let's put this together, put it outside, and see how it works. So step one, you want to find the part that has this like little screw plastic thing on top. You are going to feed this piece on. In the bag with the carabiners, you have this, and you are just going to attach this like so and make it tighter. And there you go. Then you're going to screw the eagle on top. Put the second flag carabiner on, and then screw one of the other pieces on, and then again you are going to tighten. Okay, you're going to get your flag and attach it. Then, because my flag is so big, I had to adjust this bottom section. So I'm going to put the flag on, and then I'm going to tighten this again. What's really nice about this is, if you see, I'll show you on this top one, this top part spins and this part is stable. And so it's going to allow your flag to move, but to stay in place. Okay, here we go. You just put this in the ground and then push down again. I love this 5-prong base. It's super deep. Love that you can move it and you don't have to just keep it in one spot. It is wind resistant, which I absolutely love. And this is all metal, so this is going to last for a long time. The entire pole is metal on this. I love that. This is so versatile. You could take this with you if you are camping. So easy to transport. You are going to love this. So fly that flag. Loving this. Check it out.